COVID-19 has had a profound impact on Southeast Asia's digital economy. In fact, since we started doing this report 5 years ago, this will be the largest impact we have seen in a single year. And that's because the pandemic has changed our daily lives. We are more likely to buy groceries online, seek entertainment online, learn online. The digital adoption was projected to happen over several years, but it has accelerated and happened over the past 10 months, reinforcing our belief that Southeast Asia will define the future of digital ecosystems. Most of these new digital consumers live outside major metros. So you take this accelerated rate of connectivity, we have Southeast Asia's digital economy poised to cross 300 billion GMV by 2025.
COVID-19 has had a different impact across sectors. E-commerce, online media, and food delivery have thrived, while travel and transport have faced some challenges. A similar story has played out in digital financial services, with payments and remittances seeing strong growth, but lending facing some setbacks. Unsurprisingly, e-commerce has been turbocharged in terms of growth this year, propelling its GMV to over $60 billion. What is more promising that we see a strong increase in adoption on the supply side, with several more SMEs joining the online platforms, and that is going to strengthen the growth of e-commerce in the coming years. While the travel sector has been hit the hardest by the pandemic, we do see some signs of recovery, particularly in terms of domestic travel and in countries that have been less hit by the pandemic, like Vietnam. Pent-up demand to travel remains. Our surveys indicate that 69% of consumers will travel in the next 6 to 12 months if the current situation remains.
Apart from these traditional areas, there are other new areas where we are seeing exponential growth. One is telemedicine, for example, so health tech more generally. The number of teleconsultations have gone up 4x during the pandemic this year compared to last year. On the EdTech side, number of apps downloaded are up 3x compared to last year. There is a lot of capital available, a lot of dry powder still available to invest in the internet economy in Southeast Asia. So investors are always looking for a large addressable market where the potential to grow is very significant. But I think compared to the pre-pandemic period, they're looking a lot at sustainable business models.
2020 has been a challenging year for everyone. And for businesses across Southeast Asia, they have had to pivot quickly to deal with lockdowns and economic uncertainty. And because of the sudden shift to digital, they have also had to reskill their workforce and to reassess their business strategies. Google is committed to supporting Southeast Asia's growth by investing in digital skills and education, and by making the internet more helpful and accessible throughout the region.
We continue to be very optimistic about the internet economy. Clearly, this is a very exciting area. The key issue to sustaining this is going to be availability of the right talent. So the positive side is that it will create a lot of jobs in an environment where jobs are being negatively impacted in other areas of the economy. What needs to happen is that the existing manpower needs to be reskilled and upskilled to be able to really take advantage of these jobs and fulfill the full potential of the internet economy.
Despite significant challenges this year, the long-term outlook for Southeast Asia's digital economy remains more robust than ever. Digital players face several challenges, but innovation and adoption is expanding rapidly across markets and sectors. And the digital economy is expected to power ahead at full velocity.